Want to change the style of text on your iPhone to customize your device or make things easier to read? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the font style on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To change the font style on your iPhone, open your Settings app. Then select Display and Brightness. If you scroll down, you'll see options to change your system-wide font to have bold text turned on or off. Toggle this setting to your preference. If you tap Text Size, you can change how big or small your font will be. Use the slider at the bottom to make the text larger or smaller. For additional options, go back in your Settings menu and select Accessibility. Then select Display and Text Size. Here you can adjust your text style further to make it easier to read with options for larger text sizes, borders on buttons and menus, reduce transparency, increase contrast, and more. Configure all of these settings to your liking to adjust the style of your iPhone's font. That's all it takes to change the font style on your iPhone. Want to turn off the liquid glass feature on your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.